Hello and welcome to Research Academy's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about a very interesting LLM in India, which is offered by Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So, as we know that generally LLM in India is not research oriented, it does not involve a lot of field work and a lot of practical experience, and this is why a lot of people are unsure if they should be pursuing LLM from India or not. So, if you are interested in research, if you are interested in field work, if your intention is to get into academics, then maybe this LLM is quite good for you. So, we are talking about the Master of Laws Access to Justice LLM, which is offered by Tata Institute of Social Sciences. This is one of the very good areas that you could be targeting if research and field work really interests you and you want to make a career in it. Now let's see the program details a little bit. So this is offered by the Mumbai campus of TISS. Their School of Law, Rights and Constitutional Governance offers this Master of Laws in Access to Justice. So as you can see, it's a very social sector related LLM, and it is quite good if your interest areas are those and if you intend to pursue a career in this field. If you are interested in any other area, let's say business laws or constitutional laws, then this LLM may not be the right fit for you. So make sure that if you are interested in TISS, it is for the right reasons, which is being interested in the area in which they are offering you the LLM. Now the total intake of seats is around 40, so it's decent enough to get into. Now if you look at the distribution of credit hours, this is very important because this tells you what they intend to focus on. So apart from your foundational course and your LLM papers, their focus is also on field work and field-based research dissertation. So this will give you adequate exposure, which generally other LLMs do not offer because they are not generally inclined towards getting you practical experience. And if that is your intention, that you want to get some hands-on experience, some field work before you venture into your career, then this LLM may be a good fit for you. Now let's see a few more things about the program. You can read more about this program from their website as well. But this program will involve classroom teaching, which is common for I think all LLMs. But it will also involve research, field work, legal service clinics visit, and internships. So I think this makes it stand out from other LLMs, that if you are interested in the field of working for justice and access to justice and research related fields, then this can add good value to your CV, because we know that if we have to get into the field of academics or research, then we mandatorily need a LLM. So this LLM can offer you all that. Now this is a very good time to start preparing for this exam. TISS Net will be held for you if you want to write for this particular course and if you want to get selected. Now let's take a look at the last year trend. You can see that last year around 14 December, they released the applications and the exam was supposed to be held in February 25, 2023. So this is around the same time now that November has started. You can expect the notification for TISS to come out either late November or early December, and we can expect the same timelines for this course. So if you're interested, start preparing right now. Go visit the website, see if the course interests you, and then look at the syllabus for the TISSNet exam and start preparing. So if you have any questions, do drop them in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.